Alright guys, welcome back to another video. In this video we're going to be looking at Justin's Audi S4. This car is insane, has over 10k worth of mods. Firstly, we've got test pipes, resonator downpipes, custom catback full exhaust, a heat and exchanger upgrade, and also an intake, as you can see right here. That thing looks crazy. And it's got a stage 1 tune pushing around 420 to 440 horsepower. It's also on some chromies, as you can tell. So it looks honestly really good, and it sounds insane. It also pushes around 560 newton meters of torque. So this car right here is an absolute machine. Oh my goodness. Bro, this is the fastest car I've ever recorded on my channel. Holy Did you see what that? Oh, look that chopped out, bro. 400? That is the most insane tunnel pull I've ever had in my life. Bro, what the frick? That is crazy. Bro, the eyes you get in this car is insane. I saw like everyone turn their head, bro.
That's pretty funny.
What the frick? Holy crap. Holy crap. That is insane. Wow. Bro, thank you so much.
Yeah, all
bro.
good,
That was
of course.
Crazy, bro. You're the man. You're actually the man.